Hey friends, it's your pal Arty Loon here, and welcome to your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit tutorial where I take you step by step through every single magic trick and show you the ins and outs of what it takes to be an amazing magician. I'm super excited to be here. Let's get your lesson started now. Congratulations on receiving your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit. What you'll receive is your famous zigzag pencil, your mystery spot trick, and your floating match trick. Not just that, you'll also receive a booklet with 50 additional magic tricks you can learn from household items. Our next trick is the amazing floating match. Here's the secret to the floating match. You have two cards, one of which is a normal card. The other one actually has string running all the way around it. When you give the card a bit of a bend, the string actually holds up the match, like so. You take your other card and you pass it underneath the string to make it look like there's nothing holding on to the stick. You then release the bend, bringing the string back to the card, you grab the match, and you show there's nothing connected. Pretty cool, right? Your lesson comes up next. Here is your lesson for your floating match trick. You take two of the cards and you place them into your pocket. You then take your matchstick and place it into another pocket. A little note about the cards. You are playing with string, so you have to be extra careful with it. Okay? You walk up to your friends, you grab your match, and you show it to your friends. You could even have them take a look at it. You then bring out your other cards, and you place the card without the string onto the table. You then take your gimmick card with the string and you place it between your thumb and your other fingers. If you're a righty, just like this. You then take your matchstick, you place it onto the card. You then slowly give the card a bit of a bend to show the card is being suspended in midair. Then you place the other card underneath it, avoiding the string. You then slowly release the bend, you grab your match, you show it to your friends, they can look at it, and as they're looking at it, you place the two cards back into your pocket. This one takes a little bit of practice, but don't worry, I believe you guys can get it. That's your lesson for the floating match trick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to practice, practice, practice. Thank you once again for joining us here on your official Magic Kit tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed all those fun magic tricks, and we hope to see you guys again next time.